At some point, you may need an emergency veterinary location for your pet. With so many choices, finding the right help at a critical time can be stressful. Today we're catching up with a local leading pet care expert who will walk you through finding the right option for your pet in an emergency situation.
One of the most frequent questions I'm asked is, how do I find a great pet emergency service where I can take my pet if something happens at night or on the weekend, and how do I know they'll be looked after? Finding the right pet emergency service can be very frustrating, considering that usually when they're needed, there is also a lot of emotion and urgency involved. But if they do their research before the emergency happens, then everything becomes a lot easier. Searching for the right pet emergency service to suit their specific needs can certainly be emotional and challenging. If their requirements are that the pet emergency service can provide true 24-hour care at a modern hospital facility with a caring, patient-focused atmosphere, it can feel like an impossible task from the outset. I would like to leave your viewers with 2 very important tips they should consider to make this task simpler. Tip number 1, personally, I would recommend that every pet owner undertakes some form of research before they need an emergency vet, as that offers the opportunity to make an informed decision for their pet's well-being instead of an emotional one when there's urgent need. They don't want to waste time phoning their local clinic to get the number and the address of the emergency hospital. They need to do their research and have that address and number before they need it. And it's a good idea to know which route they're going to take to get there. Tip number 2, they should decide whether they want their pets to have ready access to specialists. Once the emergency team have stabilised the patient, it can be reassuring to know they'll have easy access to specialists in various different fields that may be required. A hospital that has multiple registered specialists in surgery, internal medicine, oncology, radiology will have the capacity to provide the highest level of care to the majority of patients when they leave emergency without needing to leave the hospital. I'm sure people would rather being able to access specialist services at the same hospital instead of needing to make new appointments and undertake additional travel when their pet's in pain. And this makes co-located specialist services very beneficial. With our focus on their loved family member in a caring, modern environment with the support of on-site specialists, the treatment results achieved by our team are less stressful when it counts most. For those wishing to discover more, they can visit animalec.com.au, where they can find a lot more detailed information about our many specialist services to assist them with getting the best service possible for their pet. They can call us direct on 08 9204 0400.
Pretty impressive, isn't it? And a great professional is always eager to help, one client at a time. We hope you found today's segment helpful. You can always count on us to help care for your pets. Thanks for watching Pet Care TV. See you again soon.